In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to set up and connect your washing machine. Make sure that pre-install preparation is completed first. Transit bolts removed, packaging removed, manuals, hoses etc. removed from drum. Check that the drum rotates unimpeded. Firstly, turn off the water and electrical supplies. Connect the inlet hose supplied with the washing machine to the cold water inlet tap. Attach the inlet hose by hand and tighten with a mole grip or slip-jointed pliers, ensuring you don't over-tighten and damage the thread. Make sure that the washer seal is lying flat so that it fits securely. You can now attach the other end to the appliance. Similar to before, tighten it by hand, ensuring you don't over-tighten and damage the thread, and then use slip-jointed pliers or mole grip to finish tightening. Once securely attached, turn the tap to open the water supply. Check for any leaks from the supply hose connection points. The most common type of drainage connection is to connect the drain hose under the sink trap. We will also show you how to connect the drain hose to a standpipe. Next, remove the stop end from the adapter point. Some adapters may already have a spigot built in. You may need to purchase a spigot adapter if the adapter point does not have one. A common mistake is forgetting to remove the blanking cap from the spigot. Most washing machines use a Jubilee clip to secure the drain hose into position. Loosely put the clip onto the drain hose and push the appliance waste pipe over the spigot as far as it will go. Then, use a flathead screwdriver to tighten the Jubilee clip. Ensure you fully tighten the clip so that the hose won't leak. If you are connecting the drain hose to a standpipe, clip the drainage hose into the supplied U-shaped bend. Make sure the drain hose is not trapped or crushed in any way and is secured with cable ties to prevent vibration dislodging it from this position. Then, put the drain hose into the standpipe, no further than 7 inches. Inserting the drain hose further than 7 inches can cause water to push back up and out of the standpipe, causing a leak. You can now plug the washing machine into the main socket. Most households will have a main socket situated on the wall behind where the washing machine goes. Do not use an extension cable. Make sure the machine is connected directly to the socket. Leveling the feet is essential before first use.